Hi, Queen, hi, Kings. Welcome home, girl. Welcome home, boy. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. My name is Lola. I am the owner of Air by Anything. On today's episode, I will be showing you, I will be demonstrating what you can use to define your curves and hold your curves for the whole day. I know, I've been there, okay? It's so hard for you to hold that cause at the end of the day, especially if you're going to have a long day at work, or maybe you are going on outing, or you have a party. At the end of the day, when the hair dries, then your wig your wig will become puffy. Some people love it that way. Sometimes I do, sometimes I just like the puffy ones. But for it to calm down, to sew the curls, it takes less than $5, let's say, to hold that curls all day. Okay, I'm going to show you what I use, and this helps this all this wig for days. My disclaimer: this is in no way advertisement for any product I'm going to show you. This is what I use, and this is the one this works for me, so I decide to show you what I'm using. I'm not advertising, and if the owner of this product, they see this video and they want to use me as their, I'm welcome. They are welcome. But with this video, I'm not advertising for any product. This works for all types of wavy hair. This is one kind of wave I made for myself, and this, you see how it looks. And this is another one I have. This is a deep wave, and this is another curly hair. On my website, this is the pixie curl, and this is a deep wave from a vendor. This is a factory made wig. So let's see how this will work. And you see how the waves look like. I use this product on this head, and it's like 4 weeks already, and you see I've not done anything to it. Absolutely true. This is what I use, and 4 weeks later, look at how it looks like. All I do when I want to wear this hair is just spray, and that's it. I'll just spray my water. So for you to get this kind of, to define your wig and to maintain your curls at the end of the day and days ahead, let's get into business. This is a frontal wig. You detangle. You see, this is it, detangle comb. Make sure you start from the tip, from the bottom. Always start from the bottom of your hair. Always start from the bottom, then you work your way to the top. Color they need to be saturated very well. You need to go from the back. That is why it is important to section it. Make sure you spray from behind too. Okay. You see how easy it is? You see? Very, very. You don't want it to lose the colors, you have to bounce it back. I use this Divine Shine. I take a little bit, just a little bit. You do this section by section, right? This is just for a start. Then I use this curling cream. I don't know if you can see it. Is it? I use that. I go section by section. It's very important you do this. You section it